Hello everyone, this is Luciana with Motion Craft, and today we have a really fun video where I show you my little monkey, the Flipbook Animation Stamp Kit. We're very excited to introduce our new clear stamp flipbook kits. This one is called My Little Monkey, and you get a 6x8 clear stamp set that is made in the US and is photopolymer. You also get 4 silver flipbook clips and your paper pack. The paper pack comes with 70 sheets that are acid-free and they're great for flipping. You can create a fun animation with 12 to 16 frames. But what's fun about this is that you can just keep mixing and matching your stamps and create it as long as you want. Also, we include the clips because they're super cute and super easy to just clip it and flip your flipbook. But you can also grab a little piece of scrapbook paper that you have, fold it and glue it, and then flip it and see your animation come to life. Okay, let's get started with the first flipbook. This monkey flipbook stamp is super fun because you can create different animations using the different stamps. With these two, you can make the monkey jump up and down or also make it fall out of the vine. And alternating these two, you can make the monkey wave, so it's super cute. By stamping these three, it's like the monkey is hanging from the vine and is talking at the same time. And with the last two, you can make it appear hanging down from the vine and then swinging left and right. Super cute. To start my flipbook, I'm going to start by stamping the vine. We made a special base for this stamp so you can align it with the corner top of your flipbook page. We also left 2 little spaces for the monkey hands so you don't have to mask it every time you stamp the monkey in each of the pages. This makes it super easy to align it in every single frame and also to stamp the monkey in the right position. Notice that we have 3 different monkeys hanging from the vine that are a little bit different. They change their tail and they open and close their mouth. So if you stamp them in a sequence a few times, it's going to create the animation that the monkey is speaking. So it's saying, "I'm bananas about you," or "Happy birthday," and "My little monkey." So it's super cute and adorable. On your stamp set, you will see that we wrote little notes as references so you can see where to align the little monkey. Like we have words like vine and top right, so you know where to align the vine. Or like for the speech bubble, we have center and you have a little notch there that you can center it with your flipbook page. And also with the 3 little monkeys, you have they align with vine, so you know that they're hanging and then the little hands will fit perfectly on the vine. So for this flipbook, I decided to create the animation of the monkey hanging from the vine and talking, and then dropping and falling and waving hello. I decided to stamp each monkey 3 times, so I'm creating a total of 9 frames to create a more fluid animation. One tip that is important to remember is to number your pages, because if you are about to color them or you have them laying on your desk, it's easier to put them in order and in the right sequence. Also, like I showed you before, having that base, like that corner base on your vine, is so useful and so easy to stamp it on the corner of your flipbook and have it as a reference to where to stamp your monkey. And just like that, we created animation using our stamps. We did just 9 frames and it already looks like it's animated and the monkey is talking to us. For the second part of the flipbook, I'm going to make the monkey fall down from the vine, and having those accent marks really helps create the illusion of the animation. And I can use the same stamp to make it fall or to make it jump up and down. So remember that our stamp already has the mask for the hands of the little monkey. So here, because my monkey is going to be in a different position, I just go ahead with my pen and complete the vine so I can color it later. We included some stamps that are accent marks and helps with the animation effects. The first one helps accentuate the fall, the second one is a little bit softer, and then for the following frame, I just don't add any, so it's a more fluid animation. So this is how, using our stamps, we can create a super fun flipbook. This one only has 15 frames, and you can see the monkey falling down from the vine, waving hello, and seeing the animation of the flipbook that is super adorable. And to complete our flipbook, I'm just gonna go ahead and color it, and then I'm gonna make a little cute cover using the other stamps, and then use one of the clips that comes in the kit to finish my flipbook. Remember that on our website you can get more paper packs to make more flipbooks, and then also different color clips that you can get to coordinate with your scrapbook papers and your project. I'll leave the link on the description so you can check out the different colors. I love how you can see the animation as you're flipping the pages. Once I finished coloring my flipbook, I decided to make a cute little cover using the other stamps. We also included some cute accessories like the birthday hat, the cupcake that has a banana wheel on top, some hearts, some bananas, some leaves, and some sayings like happy birthday and bananas about you and my little monkey. So you can have a lot of fun making your flipbook for all the different occasions. I love the whole set. I love it that you can use it for regular cards like I'm doing it for the cover of the flipbook, and I love it that you can just combine and mix and match to make a different kind of animation. So I can't wait to see all your flipbooks and all the different combinations and animations you come up with. It is so cute to see the monkey in action as you're flipping your pages. So that was my first flipbook. Now I'm gonna go and start with my second flipbook, and for this one I thought about maybe making the monkey come out and down from the vine and then swinging left to right. To do that, I'm gonna start with the monkey that's hanging from the vine and facing front, and I'm gonna mask a little bit of the stamp so for the first frames it looks like it's coming down to the page. Then to stamp your monkey in the same position for each frame, you just want to make sure to mark a little mark on your flipbook page where the vine is going to be hanging from. So after I have my fourth frame with the monkey that is fully appeared, I'm going to switch to the next stamp where the monkey is like swinging a little bit faster. You can see it is like on his side and with a cute little face. So I'm going to start by using that stamp, and this is the one that's going to be swinging left to right. Here you can use some of the accent marks as well, so the monkey will look like it's going a little bit faster. And then also you can make it as long as you want, so it will swing back and forth as many times as you want. It is a lot of fun to use your stamps to create your own flipbook. You don't need to worry about overlaying your previous frame and redrawing it. It is as easy as stamping it and then coloring, and then thinking about what kind of animation you want for your finished flipbook. It is a very fun project to make and also to receive. Imagine flipping through the pages and seeing the animation come to life. It's also super fun to make with kids and spend the afternoon playing with them and having fun stamping, coloring, and seeing the animation. It's something new and fun that will surprise you every time. So to finish this flipbook, I also did 15 frames. So here I'm finishing the last 4, and then I'm going to go ahead and test it and then color it. To color my flipbook, I use my regular color pencils, so you don't need to have special markers or anything. You can use your crayons, your color pencils, your markers, and then you just go ahead, stamp, and color it with whatever you feel more comfortable with. After testing my flipbook, I decided to use the leaf as they were falling for the beginning of the flipbook. Since my monkey was coming down to the page, I was like, okay, let's make the leaves that are falling and then the monkey is appearing. So I decided to add a few frames at the beginning of the flipbook. So once I finished coloring, I went ahead and made a little cover for it, and then you can see the monkey in action swinging back and forth and coming down from the vine. So cute and so easy to make. What a fun flipbook. For my last flipbook, I'm going to make the little monkey jump up and down. I'm going to use these 4 stamps that you see on the right, and they all have a square and a rectangle base. That makes it easier for you to align it with each frame on your flipbook because you use that base as a reference and you align it with your paper on the right lower corner. For the first few frames, I'm going to use the stamp of the monkey that's waving its arms up and down, and then I'm going to use the monkey that's going to be jumping. So I'm going to stamp it on its place first, and then I'm going to move it a little bit higher so it leaves some space for my accent mark. So this makes it look like it's really jumping. Then I'm going to move to the next stamp where you can see that the monkey is jumping even higher. And what makes it easier to follow the same line is that the base, that the rectangle that we have in each stamp, you align it to the right side of your flipbook page. So even though you're stamping your monkey a little bit higher every time, they're always going to be in the same line and it's going to look like it's jumping up and down. To finish my flipbook, I'm going to make the monkey go down, and I'm also going to use some of the accent marks just to make the monkey look like he's touching the ground. This is a very easy flipbook to make. You can just use the 4 stamps. They all have their base as a reference that you can align with your flipbook page to the right. So you just keep stamping up and down, and you can stamp it as many times as you want. So the monkey can jump high, and then you can make him jump up and down as many times as you want. And it's so adorable when you flip those pages and you see his face changing and the expression of the monkey when he's jumping high and up and down. Super cute and super fun to create your flipbook and see the animation come to life. To finish my flipbook, I'm going to go ahead and color each of the frames and make a cute little cover for it. So this is how easy and how fun it is to use your stamps to create your own flipbooks. Today I show you how to do 3 different flipbooks using the same stamp set, combining the monkey in different ways to create different animations. Of course, there are endless possibilities and combinations, so this is when you get to play and get creative to make your own flipbook. At the beginning of this video, I showed you a very long flipbook where I used all of the stamps in the set. I just wanted to show you that you can combine your monkey in different ways to create your own animation. So you can make it as long as you want, or also with a few frames, you can also create a fun, cute little animation with the monkey. You can see it in action. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a lot of fun creating your own flipbook. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.